Hello, Jessica Frost-ballas here with a clean and simple holiday shaker using our pretty poinsettia and ornament fancy die. So let's get started. First, I'm die cutting the poinsettia and ornament fancy die from a panel of Dove White Hero Hues cardstock. I also trim a panel of Cherry Hero Hues cardstock down to 4 by 5¼ inches to layer behind my shaker. Next, I place the outline of the ornament die on the cherry panel and loosely trace around it. This will help give me a guide for my ink blending. I want to add a little depth to the shaker panel, so I blend crimson and mulled wine hybrid inks onto the panel. I keep the color dark on the outside and fade to the cherry cardstock shade in the center. Next, I applied adhesive to the back of my white shaker panel and adhered a sheet of acetate to it. Then I applied a double layer of foam mounting tape around the panel. I added a few pieces of tape right around the shape of the ornament to keep the sequins more towards the design rather than allowing them to fall to the sides of the panel. I filled the shaker with a mix of ombre blush and snow and berry sequins. After filling the shaker liberally, I carefully removed the adhesive backing and then sealed it up with my blended cherry panel. I also adhered a top folding card base to the back of the shaker. Then I use liquid precision glue to adhere the intricate ornament to the acetate. I stamped a sentiment from the Vault home scene onto pitch black cardstock with embossing ink and heat embossed it with white embossing powder before trimming it down to a thin label. I adhered the sentiment to the shaker with foam mounting tape and then added a few sequins to the shaker panel to finish the card. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed my holiday shaker. Thanks so much for watching, have a fabulous day, and happy crafting. Bye!